Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare Anytype, Capacities and Obsidian. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step about it. When comparing Anytype, Capacities and Obsidian, each has its strengths but one stand out as the best. Anytype is a local first privacy-focused note-taking and knowledge management tool. It emphasizes decentralization, meaning your data stays on your device and can sense without relying on the cloud. It's visually appealing and structured like Notion, using a block-based system for organizing content. However, it is still in early development with limited plugins and community support compared to the others. Now we have Capacities. Capacities takes a structured approach with its object-based system, ideal for those who want aesthetic organization and AI-powered features. It is more visual than Obsidian, sporting media embedding templates and smart tagging. However, it's cloud-based, which might not appeal to users preferring local storage. The next one and the last one is Obsidian. Obsidian is the most powerful in terms of customization and knowledge management. Its Markdown-based, local-first approach means you're on your data, and its vast plugin ecosystem allows endless customization. The graph view helps visualize connections, making it do the go for networking thinking and personal knowledge management. The downside, it has a steeper learning curve and lacks the native static polish of Capacities or Anytype. While Anytype and Capacities have strong features, Obsidian is the best overall for flexibility, privacy, and plugin support. If you want ultimate control over your notes, Obsidian is the clear winner. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.